time, skinned-up knees, a shady grove and a willow breeze, braided hair, banana seats, popsicles and sticky trees.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and I'm here with my friend Alligator, who's the symbol of our 1,000 Books program. If you don't have a 1,000 Books kit, you can get a paper one at any of our branches, or you can do the program online with our Beanstack app. Information on that at the website. But either way, all the books we read here count towards 1,000 books. Did you bring something to show everybody today? Oh, you brought someone. Look what Allie brought today. Oh, you've been here before. This is Allie's cousin, the frog. Oh, silly frog wants to sit on your head, Allie. Do you mind? But we're not exactly doing frog stories today. What? Yeah, but there is a frog in one of our books. No, today we're going to say goodbye to summer and hello to fall, and one of our books does have a frog in it. It's all about a pond from summer to fall. And our other book is about goodbye summer, hello fall too. Plus that, we're going to sing one of our favorite songs to play one of our favorite games. Are you ready for all that? Allie's ready? I guess the frog's ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Here's a book that starts in the summer and ends with the end of the fall. Watch for the frog on every page and see if you can find him and see if he looks bigger or smaller. In the Small, Small Pond by Denise Fleming. In the Small, Small Pond by Denise Fleming. In the small, small pond. Now there's Frog. What do you think Frog's going to see? Wiggle, jiggle, tadpoles wriggle. Those are his little brothers and sisters. Is he bigger than they are or smaller? Yeah, next to his little brothers and sisters, Frog looks pretty big, doesn't he? Waddle, wade, the geese parade. There's the mama goose and her babies. But where's Frog? Oh, there he is. Do you see him? He's down there. He looks a lot smaller now, doesn't he? Hover, shiver, wings quiver. Those are dragonflies. You'll definitely see them down at the pond, and you might even see them in your neighborhood on the lawn. I've seen them sometimes. Where's Frog? There he is. Oh, it must be a nice warm summer day because drowse, doze, eyes close. The turtles, they're basking in the sun. And there's Frog over there. He likes the sun too. Is he bigger or smaller than the turtles? Yeah, he's smaller than the turtles. Lash, lunge, herons plunge. Now you might see these down by the river, or we see them sometimes when we're out at the beach, but that's a heron, and I'm afraid they like to eat frogs, so Frog had better hurry and get out of there. Do you see him? Yeah, to them he's just the right size for a snack. Splitter, splatter, minnows scatter. Teeny tiny little fishies. You might see them in a pond. If you go wading in a pond or a lake, you might even feel them swimming around you. And there's Frog. He's a lot bigger than a minnow, isn't he? Circle, swirl, whirligigs twirl. These are bugs, little water bugs, and they do sometimes look like they're spinning around in the water. Where's Frog? Oh, there's Frog. You can see him. He's a lot bigger than they are. I wonder if he eats bugs. He just might. You never know. Sweep, swoop, swallow, scoop. I think they're going fishing in the water. And there's Frog. He looks awfully small now, doesn't he? Click, clack, claws crack. What are those? You might think they're crabs, but they're not. They're probably something that are called crayfish or crawfish. They're more like a shrimp, but they do have very, very, very pointy claws. Frog's going to watch out for them. I think he's bigger than a crawfish, but I'm not sure. Dabble dip, tails flip. Have you ever watched ducks on the water? It's really funny because when they go down to go fishing, they turn upside down and all you see are their backsides and their tails. And there's Frog, who of course is a lot smaller than a duck. Splish splash, paws flash. Oh, I think that raccoon is washing what it's going to eat. There's Frog over there. Ooh, do you notice something else? There's leaves in the water. I think the leaves are starting to change color. That's probably why these guys are so busy. Pile, pack, muskrats stack. Oh, it must be fall now because the muskrats are building themselves a nice warm house for the winter. They're using lots and lots and lots of mud for it. Where's Frog? He's down there. I wonder where he's going to go when it gets colder. And it is getting colder, look. Chill breeze, winter freeze. Oh, I think that goose might be heading south. There's snow, and there's still leaves blowing. What's Frog going to do? Do you see what he's doing? He's going to bury down in the mud of the pond and hibernate. Cold night, sleep tight. Small, small pond. You know, all those animals are getting ready. Fall and then winter. That's what happens in the small, small pond. And if you like this book, you'll probably also like In the Tall, Tall Grass, also by Denise Fleming, and right next to this book on the shelf here at the Alexandria Library. This is usually called the Sleeping Bunnies game, but you know, you can play it with any creature you like. And since Frog has gone to sleep in the bottom of the pond, let's start with Froggies today. Here's what you need to do. You need to crouch down. I'll show you what. In fact, let me show you. I want you to crouch down, put your head on your hands like you're sleeping until I sing, "Wake up now." And then you're going to get up and you're going to jump around and hop a lot. Can you do that? Are you sleeping? Are you a sleeping froggy? See the little froggy sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up now and hop. Hop, little froggies, hop, hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop, hop. Who else shall we do today? Well, since it is the Sleeping Bunny song, let's do bunnies. Crouch down, get very, very small. Shh. Are you sleeping? See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up now and hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop, hop. You can do lots more animals. Let's do one more today. Let's do birds. Can you be a little bird in your nest sleeping? Shh. What are you going to do afterwards? Yeah, you're going to flap, flap, flap your wings. Can you do that? See the little birdies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us wake them gently with a merry tune. Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up now and flap. Flap, little birdies, flap, flap, 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 flap. Flap, flap, flap. You did it. Great job, everybody. This book is part of a series of books about the seasons. This one is Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn. It's by Kennard Pack. Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn by Kennard Pack. Hello, late summer morning. Hello, trees. Hello. Now that the cool winds have come, we love how our branches sway in the sun. Hello, playful foxes and singing blue jays. Hello, we are busy looking for food. Some of us are heading south to our winter homes. Do you see somebody on the tree branches over there? Or the tree trunk, I should say. Yeah, squirrels. I bet they're busy getting ready for fall and winter too. Hello, walking stick and butterflies. Now, I know you're going to have a very easy time finding the butterflies because you're really smart. But look for another eye. Do you see another eye somewhere? Yeah, that's an eye there. And those are legs. It's an insect called a walking stick. We're surprised you saw us. We try our best to blend in, and we do the same in warmer places. Hello, beavers and chipmunks. Beavers, chipmunks. Hello, we have no time to play because we're making cozy nests and dens. It will be cold soon, and we want to get ready. Somebody over there is doing a bit of fishing. Looks like a good spot for everyone, doesn't it? Hello, flowers. Hello. We're leaning into the sun, enjoying the last summer rays. Some of us, like the asters and phlox, are late bloomers. We make the end of the season even more colorful. Yeah, those pretty blue ones and purple ones are asters and phlox, and yeah, they're fall flowers. You're going to see them in a lot of gardens this time of the year. Hello, thunder. Hello. You can hear my low rumble from far away. My clouds loom over the open fields and quiet hills. Hello, breezy wind. Hello. I love to whoosh, drizzle, and leaves through the misty streets. Yeah, the leaves are flying off the trees, aren't they? Hello, chill in the air. Hello, it's time to bring out your thick sweaters and scarves. Yeah, it's going to get colder as fall starts to take over. Hello, puddle. See the puddle? There's a puddle over there. Birds are taking a bath in it. Hello. Now that the wind has come, I often get covered with fallen leaves. Hello, leaves. Hello. We are changing our color. Some of us turn red or brown, while others turn gold or yellow. The dogwood leaves turn purple. All those beautiful colored leaves in the fall. Hello, big orange sun. Hello. I am setting earlier and earlier now that summer is coming to an end, but I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, summer. Hello, autumn. Yeah, autumn is beautiful though, isn't it? Look at all those beautiful leaves on the trees turning colors. And you can still go out and play in the bright sun. This is Goodbye Summer, Hello Autumn by Kennard Pack. And if you like this book, there are others in the series as well. And we have them right here at the Alexandria Library. So where's the frog? Did the frog go back to its pond? That's okay. Well, it's always sad when summer comes to an end, but you know what? We are going to have lots of fun this fall, aren't we, Allie? Both here at YouTube and at the library. And we hope we'll see you here and there very soon. We love you. Bye.
Fire
the fireplace, pumpkin in the yard. Give me joy, it's not too hard. It's fall, that's all. That's all.